Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It is Lipsticks and Kicks. So today I am back with a cute little what's in my bag. I have neglected you guys on what I'm carrying lately. So this is my baby pink rectangular CC flap. This is what I've been carrying this fall winter. She's really cute and very functional, really nice, cute mom bag. So I really have been loving her for the fall winter season. And she has just been carrying everything that I need to carry. So we really love that. So in the back pocket here, I just have a pair of earrings. As a mom, I always got to be taking off my earrings because my baby is 1 and she be trying to take out my earrings. So I like to just keep those in the back pocket there. So now we're going to go ahead into the inside contents. Just showing you the front. So usually in the up front pocket there, I don't really carry anything. So nothing is in there. And then here in the back pocket, I usually like to put anything I don't want really to be seen. So I have a little feminine product back there. So that fits very nicely. Then open up the content. I just love this shade of pink. It's so pretty. Really nice shade of pink on this small rectangular flap. So here are all my content, just giving you an overhead view of how everything fits and just what I need from everyday, day to day, running out. So that's perfect. So here in the one of the pockets, I just have a brown lip liner. In the second pocket, I don't have anything. And then I just carry a travel size Tylenol. It's really good for headaches and time of the month. Then I have a NYX butter gloss. So pretty, very nice and affordable. And this is in the shade Eclair or Eclair. I also carry some Trident gum. It's in the flavor bubble gum. So really nice just to always have some gum in your bag. And then up next, I just have some Vaseline. This is in the aloe vera scent or flavor. I really love this. You can get these at the Dollar Tree. Perfect for the winter time. Always keeps my lips really nice and moist. And then I have my multicolor Black Noir LV wallet. I really like this. This is also another bougie on a budget item, but I love it. It works really good in my smaller handbags and so pretty just for the fall winter season with the black on it. So I love it. Then up next, I have my LV Virgil Abloh mirror key clay. So inside of these, I do have some regular set of keys. As I'm showing you here, just a regular set of keys. And I have a key on the outside. And then up next, I do have a regular car key. So as I'm showing you guys here, just a little regular car key that does fit in there with all my other stuff. And then I have my Kayali Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar. This perfume smells so good. It's one of my faves. I love to carry it around with me in my bags. Every time I wear it, I always get compliments too. So I really like that one. And then also, so that's all that I have in there. And then also in the front little pocket here, I just carry a personal wipe. I am a first-time mom, so that's why I like to keep a little wipe with me, just in case, you never know. And that's pretty much all that I keep in my small classic flap. So thanks for watching, guys. It's just a quick little what's in my bag video. And also just a disclaimer, this is a bougie on a budget bag. I don't believe I did a full regular video for this particular bag, but if you guys want me to do it, to leave a comment below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will definitely catch you in the next one.